Hello, Lizzie here, Managing Partner and Chief Architect with Trail Consult. This is the last thing that I'm doing on a Friday, and it's sharing some exciting insight. One of the conversations that we've been having with a lot of our customers this week, I think it's the most popular conversation, is how do I think about using the Salesforce MCP in a real example that's going to drive outcomes. And there's one example that we actually use internally at Trail Consult, and it's our forecast agent. So we will pull all our context from a number of sources, and we have our Salesforce MCP connected. And why that's so impactful is when we have this forecast call, we'll be able to go through all the actual deals that have been updated, any deals that we've been working on, and it pulls all the context from these signals. And what it allows us to do is actually keep our forecast up to date, moving our deals across different stages, updating next steps, changing the type of project, the amounts. And it's only because I don't like updating the pipeline. I like talking to my customers. I like selling. I like proving POCs. I love expressing what value they can get from the tooling. And this saves us quite a bit of time. And I wanted to share it because I think sometimes there's a bit of a misconception of what the MCP actually is, what it can do, what it can't do. One very specific distinction is that it's authenticated as though it's you, right? So when a seller, for example, or a team member is accessing this MCP, it's going to inherit the security and authorization that they've been given as a user. So no accessing fields you're not supposed to, no updating or submitting for approval when you don't have that level of security. So it does really maintain the security of and integrity of the system. And I think that is one of the really strong value drivers for why I think the MCP is super helpful. So I hope this example saves you time on a Friday when you have a bunch of things that you have to do. For me, it's always updating our forecast and thinking through what valuable stories you can share with our clients. So I hope this is a good use case and gets the wheels turning. Bye for now. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend.